Are you tired of sacrificing visual quality for better frame rates? Today, we're diving into Nvidia Image Scaling, or NIS, and showing you how to easily enable it within Geforce Experience to boost your performance and improve your graphics. First, we'll open up Geforce Experience. If you don't have it installed, download and install it from Nvidia's website. Once in Geforce Experience, click on the Drivers tab, located at the top. Ensure you have the latest game-ready driver installed. NIS is a feature that's likely already included in your current driver, but keeping your drivers up to date is always a good idea for optimized performance. Click the Check for Updates button if needed. Next, go to the Settings cogwheel in the Geforce Experience application. In the General tab, find the Enable Experimental Features option, and make sure it's turned on. This is crucial for NIS to work properly, as it is still considered an experimental feature currently. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Open the game you want to optimize and bring up the Geforce Experience overlay by pressing Alt-C. Click on the performance icon. In the performance overlay, you should find the image scaling section. Click on the image scaling and sharpening panel to open the options. At the top, you'll see an image scaling toggle. Turn it on to enable this. Below of the toggle, the sharpening slider allows you to make the image sharper to your liking. Adjust the sharpening slider value depending on how sharp you like the image. Now, the secret sauce. Go into your in-game display settings. You'll want to set your resolution to a lower resolution than your monitor's native resolution. For instance, if you have a 1080p monitor, you can set the resolution in the game to 720p. Use NIS will upscale the lower resolution to nearly native resolution. After enabling and configuring NIS, you should immediately notice an increase in frame rates without a significant drop in visual fidelity. The difference will depend on the game and your hardware. Experiment with it. Fine-tuning these settings can make a huge difference. That's all there is to it. Now get out there and game.